All right, let's pretend that these are subatomic particles. They're all the same density, but they're not the same size. However, they're the same density because they're all at minimum possible volume for the amount of energy in that space. So the density is 22.5 for all of them. And therefore, the distance from the center beyond the surface of each one, where the density drops down to zero, is its own size, its own shell, its own sphere. If you get two of these together and they manage to get within a certain space of each other and overcome the sphere of where the density gets down to where they need to match, and they go into, they create, when they start circling around each other, they create a space. And this is the space that they create. So this is hydrogen. This is two particles. So this is the minimum density of space, 0.0083. And this is hydrogen. Now, if you fill this up with 192 more particles, so I'm not going to be able to do one-handed, but if you fill this up with 192 more particles, it gets to the stage where those particles, instead of shaking around, they can't shake around. There's 192 of them, and they become one solid mass. Same density as those, but 192 of them. So the density is the same 22.5, and no part of these and no part of this is moving relative to any other part of this. So that's osmium. That's there. Now, if you do the same again with this, and you fill all of the space that one of these makes with 192 more of these, you get a black hole.